So guys, welcome to the lecture 11 part 1 and topic is a map. So today we discuss what is a map. So map in C++ is an associative container providing by the STL library. It store element in the key value pair where key is a unique identifier for each element and value is a data associated with the key. So key are always unique but value can be duplicated and internally implemented as a balanced binary search tree. You can see properties of map. So now we discuss properties of the map. So it stores the element in the sorted order, no duplicate keys allowed, logarithm time complexity take big of log n for the insertion, deletion and search in the standard map. Constant time complexity 0 1, constant time complexity for the unordered map. So now we discuss the types of map. So this is a standard map. This is the order map. So this one basically store the key value pair in a sorted order by key. Implementing using red black tree, operation take big of log n time. Now we discuss the second one and second one is a multi-map. So what is a multi-map? Basically multi-map allow element as a duplicate key also. Also maintain sorted order, implement using red black tree also. So now we discuss unordered map. So basically this unordered map store element in the random order and not sorted order and implement using hash table. Average time complexity for the operation take big of average time complexity for the operation take big of 1 means constant time. And next one is a unordered multi-map. So basically this one allow duplicate key like multi-map, uses hash table for the storage. So now we are going to discuss syntax of the map. So first we declared our header file. So this is a basically ordered map. Okay, and this is the syntax for the unordered map. Okay, this is a basically header file. So you can see this is a basically we just declared our ordered map and order map is a key value pair. So this is the key of integer and value is a string type. And you can see the unordered map with the int or string key and value similar to the multi map. So this is the syntax. This is the declaration of the map. So common function on the map. So with the help of insert, we can insert any element. Okay, so this insert function take key and value also. So and now we discuss how to update or insert any value. So with the help of this one, we can update or insert any element. So how to delete element? So with the help of erase function, we just take key, then we easily delete our element. With the help of find function, we can easily find if a key is exist or not. With the help of size function, we can check the size of the map, and with the help of empty function, we check map is empty. Now we discuss the traversal, how to traversal in map. So with the help of this auto IT and this map name is a map. Okay, so map name is a m here. You can see m is a map name. So with the help of this it dot first we print our key and with the help of it dot second we print our value. So you can see the example. So here first we declared our ordered map of int comma string key and value. So now we are just put apple in the map and bananas in also map, and we can also insert this way by using direct function insert. We can easily insert also. So now we are going to print map element. So with the help of it dot first we print the key and with the help of it dot second we print our value. Now we are going to find out this 2 is present in our map. So we can easily find out in our map. So I think this one is clear to everyone. Thank you.